Okay, the oh yeah, they're still jumping around a little bit. It's not as bad as it used to be though. Okay, does anybody here like me?
Why are you bothering me, outsider? Get out of my sight!
I want nothing to do with you.
Shut up, scum.
Oh my god. Where's the guy I gotta talk to? That is the guy I gotta talk to. I can't talk to him? Oh, yeah.
We have nothing to say to each other. Get out of here.
Okay, that was the wrong shout. That was the wrong, magic. Dragonborn knocked food flying. That's not supposed to do that, is it?
You aren't worth my time. Piss off.
Well, look who it is. How have you been?
Every day is a struggle. But a Nord doesn't back down from a fight when the cause is honorable. I just wish things were simpler. In my days as a soldier, I knew who the enemy was and how to defeat him. Unfortunately, a sword can't repair damaged buildings, feed hungry people, or undo years of prejudice.
Okay, is this guy changed?
You're stupider than you look.
You walk way too fast.
Oh, the insults are all hilarious from these guys. They all got dispossessed of their... Let's try.
What do you need to take?
I don't know. How about 4 flawless diamonds? And you give me that journal you got. Okay.
I'm heading home if you need me.
One more insult.
Shut up,
Safe
scum.
journey, sword sister.
Oh, what about this guy?
We don't need to be talking.
Okay. I'd talk to that guy, but I know what he's gonna say. Yeah. I think I talked to him already. She gonna get dressed? Alright. Okay. We stole his journal. This is about 1,000 years between getting this quest and coming back here with the journal.
Ah, a visitor. Old Hrolden Inn has hundreds of years of history, friend.
Hello, Asteria.
Greetings.
Here's the list.
I see. Well, that was poor judgment on your part. If the singer notices the list went missing, all my plans would be for naught.
Okay then. I don't think he'll notice.
You may be right, but it was still foolish to take that chance. Wait, how much of a brute is the singer? He doesn't write like a brute. In
What do
fact,
you want
it's
to
the other
drink?
way around.
Check if they have any.
His handwriting is so
If not,
flowery,
just a
it's
glass of
practically
milk.
illegible.
Okay
Which
then.
means you couldn't just write the name in. Damn college bards and their fancy script. This bloody fetcher must be completely full of himself.
He seems like that.
Oh my, Sarah.
I could do
Whatever do you
one
mean?
better than a
Is that what you were expecting?
now.
Well, forget it. We don't have time for pretenses. This journal needs to be back in Yingbar's pocket before he tries to stroke himself and accidentally finds it missing. But where am I going to find a forger that isn't loyal to the Silverbloods? There was an elf here the other day, wearing fake college robes. He said he had a relative near Windhelm. See if you can find him.
What you said before, the stories, the hints about your past, was it all an act?
Everything I told you was true. I never would have lasted this long if it wasn't. Think of it this way. You can dress a beggar in fine furs and drape amulets around his neck. But as soon as the stupid fetcher opens his mouth, he'd be completely undressed. That's what a lie is. Layers upon layers that can all fall apart with a single truth. So I don't lie. I tell it to you straight. Only I dress my words in the bard's tongue. So that you, Sarah, will find the kindness to grant favor to my cause, even if you know not what I seek.
Okay.
It's as I told you. He's a murderer. There really isn't much more I care to say. Farewell.
Now here's a woman I'm glad to see.
You know, I really do love Skyrim. In
I haven't
Skyrim.
done that ghost thing.
Yeah,
Well, no. Wait a minute. I know it's recorded that I did it. Okay. Starting to get hot. Okay, it's Ramaran, I'm guessing. Fake college robes. There he is. You're talking about Ori?
Him? Oh no, he's a bit daft when it comes to writing. Besides, he's too busy making curved swords.
I've seen my
But I
share of
do know an
Tamriel.
Argonian who does
Nothing
excellent
compares to the
forgery.
wilds of Skyrim.
I once asked him to make a Jarl's decree that pies were a type of vegetable.
As she is dangerous.
Problem is, I heard he ran into a bit of trouble stitching together guard uniforms for a group of bandits.
I happen to have two
Well,
sweethearts here.
apparently they weren't good
Yes,
enough to trick
I
some
can
mad
see that.
dark elf who hunts lawbreakers.
Do you want one?
So the bandits decided
Are
to
you
take it out
crazy?
on my poor friend.
There's flour in
Chances
those.
are he isn't
You know,
alive,
ground
or in
up,
one piece.
dead plant
But we could
matter.
try and rescue what's left.
Absolute barbarian.
Okay. Phew.
Mad Dark Elf. Reigns.
Oh, don't say his name out loud. If you say it 3 times, he'll visit you in your nightmares and stick a dagger up your nose or something.
This is why you don't invade Skyrim in the winter.
Well, we're gonna look for him.
No, I imagine it's going to hurt either way, at least for him. Bandits aren't the gentlest of forest creatures.
Where is it?
More than an idea, I know the exact location of their hideout. I was pretending to be his bodyguard when he made the deal. Knife Point Ridge was the name, over in Fall Creek. If he's alive, we'll find him there.
So, you ready to get moving yet?
Escort Renarin to Knife Point Ridge. Okay, this quest is a bit more detailed than I suspected. Looks like we're being seen. Oh my god, I can't move. Watch out for the rocks, people.
A little help over here.
What was that?
Not trying.
Can we discuss this? You're nothing.
These are low-level bandits because they came here a long time ago, I think.
We start running. Victory is yours. Come on, you witless wonder. Give me your best.
You picked a bad time to get.
That is highly overrated.
I think somebody's hitting me. It's a Khajiit.
Don't worry, there will be more.
Okay, they're over then. Yeah, it's so dark. I would have waited for light, but they'd already seen us.
You hear that?
Okay. Okay, they have a key. Okay. No table with a key on it. Okay, we gotta unlock it.
Look, I didn't tell them anything. I'm just a passing peddler. I don't even know why they're keeping me alive.
Oh, come on, Sunken Roots. You would break the
Feels like half of Skyrim has become outlaws.
Lumarin,
By Zenithar,
what are you doing
get
here?
rid.
What does it look like, saving your scaly tail?
And for this I should be grateful? You're half the reason I'm in here. Or have you forgotten the fake decree I made for you?
Oh, right. I still haven't paid you for that, have I?
That's right. And if you paid on time, I wouldn't have to take jobs like this.
Fine. If you're going to be such a sod about it, we'll just let you rot in there.
No, please. Take me with you. Your companion is rotten, but you are a sensible, decent person. Please, you must help me.
Yeah, we'll let you out. I need a favor, however.
Thank you, hero. Sunken Roots is but your humble servant. I will do whatever you ask, but if I may make a suggestion, my main talent is forgery. The bandits were using me to do just that, to get a bounty on a lawman that was thinning their numbers. I just need to fetch my things. They would blindfold me, but the cabin they took me to was nearby. I'm sure of it.
It's a deal.
Yes, I can do that. It would be as if this person penned it with his own hand. In fact, if he's not a member of the court, I don't even need a seal. Just lead the way.
Right. Yeah, it wasn't Reigns they captured, it was this guy. Reigns is the guy they're after. Or the bandits are after.
My satchel. Ah, there it is. I'm sure my tools are still inside. Nobody ever checks the secret compartment.
This place.
Well, it isn't a secret now, is it? Mental note. Check for secret compartments.
You're as insufferable as ever, Rumarin.
Thank you. I'd hate to think I was slipping.
In any event, I will forge this document as promised. Looking at this list, we want to mirror this bard's irreverence.
There's good game in these.
So, we don't
could
want
live
to
off the
boast
land
about
for a long
Asteria's
time.
voice too much. No offense, but what if she isn't very good? I think, and this is just my opinion, but we ought to maybe appeal to other things, like cost and availability.
Can we stop by
You did say she
interest?
plays primarily in Old Roldan, right? And this journal is from a bard in Markarth. Sounds like a cheap neighborly bard to me.
Alright, there we have it. A perfect forgery. Now, if you two are on your way to Markarth, I'll be headed in the other direction. Kynesgrove sounds like the perfect watering hole for me. I don't want to get caught up in whatever it is you're planning. In fact, not to sound ungrateful, because you saved my life, but it's probably better if we pretend we never met, us being accomplices and all.
Sure, that works for me.
I was talking about your friend. You still... Alright, you win. I was a fool to think you would ever pay anyway.
Well, that should tie everything up in a neat little bow. You got your forgery, I got my debt erased, and Sunken Roots got his life back. It's your classical happy ending. Unless you're a bandit, then it went about as badly as one could expect.
Yeah. Okay. So we then have to see Rains.